In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a coupon in WooCommerce. This is a fantastic way to engage your customers by offering discounts, promotions, and other enticing deals that can drive sales and boost customer loyalty. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by enabling coupons in WooCommerce. To do this, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to WooCommerce, then go to the Settings section, and from there, click on the General tab. Within this section, look for the option that says Enable the use of coupon codes and make sure to tick this box. By enabling this feature, you're allowing coupon codes to appear on both the cart and checkout pages where your customers can easily apply them. After checking the box, don't forget to save your changes to ensure the setting is updated. This step is crucial because if coupons are not enabled, all your efforts in creating them would go unnoticed by your customers. With coupons successfully enabled, it's time to create your new coupon. Your next stop in the WordPress dashboard is the Marketing section, where you'll find coupons. This feature might be located in this section if you're using a newer version of WooCommerce. Once you're there, look for and click the option to Add Coupon. This will bring you to the main interface where you can begin customizing your coupon. Now, it's time to give your coupon a code. This is the actual string of text that customers will enter to redeem their discount. You can create a custom code like Welcome 10 if you have something specific in mind, or you can use the Generate Coupon Code option to automatically create one for you. Keep in mind that while simplicity is key when choosing a coupon code, it should still be descriptive enough for your customers to recognize easily. Adding a description for your coupon is optional but highly recommended for internal clarity. This description is not something your customers will see, but it helps keep track of the purpose of the coupon or which promotion it is associated with. For example, you can use it to note the time frame of the discount or which products it applies to, making it easier to manage and understand as you craft more coupons in the future. And there you have it. You've now enabled and created a coupon in WooCommerce. By learning how to properly set up and manage coupons, you open up new opportunities for marketing strategies that can greatly improve your store's performance. For your customers, this translates into tangible savings and incentives, which can significantly enhance their shopping experience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling!